It's so decadent and it's so creamy. And if you like the spinach artichoke dip kind of flavors, then you're gonna love this one. So gnocchi are having a moment on social media as well, just like butter beans. And I decided to make this delicious, super creamy spinach artichoke gnocchi. It's my spinach artichoke dip adapted a little bit to make the sauce. And then we add some gnocchi to it. It's creamy, it's hearty, it's delicious, and there is this pillowy gnocchi in it. It just is an amazing, comforting meal. You guys have to try it. To add some protein to this dish, I am using a blend of some tofu and cashews to make the cream portion. You can also use some seeds or hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds instead, or use all tofu to make that cream. If you don't have gnocchi, just add some cooked pasta or orzo in the sauce and it will turn out amazing as well. I mean, look at that. It is so creamy and it is so delicious. So let's make my one pan 30-minute creamy, delicious, amazing spinach artichoke gnocchi. First, you want to chop up all of your aromatics and set them aside. Chop up the artichokes and set those aside. Get all of the ingredients ready. We'll blend the tofu and the cashews with some onion powder, salt, dried basil, some ground mustard, or you can use prepared mustard, some lemon juice, nutritional yeast and miso with a cup of water until it is smooth and creamy. I usually blend it for about a minute, then let it sit for 5 minutes for the cashews to rehydrate, and then blend again for half a minute or so and repeat that until it is smooth and creamy. Heat up a skillet over medium heat, add some olive oil to it. Once the oil is hot, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add in the garlic and mix in and cook for about 10 seconds or so. Add in the red pepper flakes and your onion. Add a dash of salt as well. Increase the heat to medium or medium-high and cook the onions until they start to turn translucent. You can add a splash of water after the 3 or 4 minute mark to help the onions cook evenly. And at about 6 or 7 minutes, they would have started to turn translucent. So now we'll add in our gnocchi. I'm using the refrigerated fresh potato gnocchi. We add it to the pan along with the onion, and then you cook the mixture to roast the gnocchi a little bit. Keep tossing them pretty frequently so that they don't stick to the pan. And once they start to pick on a little bit of color, that is about 3 to 4 minutes later, then we add in our blended cream sauce, the chopped up artichokes. Rinse out the blender with another half a cup of water and add that in as well and bring that to a boil. Add in all of your spinach, mix a little bit and then cover it with a lid. The heat from the sauce will steam and wilt the spinach, and you can mix that in really easily. Now taste and adjust the flavor. Add some more lemon for tang if you want. Add some vegan cheese or nutritional yeast if you want. Add in more spinach if you want it to be a more spinach heavy dish. You can add in some red pepper flakes or black pepper. You can also add in some Italian herbs like oregano, rosemary, basil, thyme. Now for the optional topping, I add a little bit of vegan mozzarella on top and add some torn basil. And then cover it with the lid again and keep simmering for a minute or so that the mozzarella can melt and your gnocchi is ready to serve. You can serve this amazing creamy gnocchi as is or with a side of sourdough or garlic bread or side salad or any other side that you want. It's creamy, it's cheesy, it's comforting, and it's amazing. If you like these one-pan pasta dishes, do try my orzo puttanesca, my one-pan veggie pasta, my French onion skillet lasagna. All of those are listed in the description below. So do try those and do let me know how you like them. If you do try this gnocchi, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to review it on the website as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, more one-pan vegan dinners, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.